Okay, I'm going to show you how to pick up a copy of Corel Wordperfect for free. Go ahead and hit the like button, hit the subscribe, and leave me comments. Leave comments in there. And go ahead and if you have questions for me, jump over to my Patreon. I got a page on Patreon, and I don't know, it's like $2 for the subscription to join over there, and you can ask me all the questions you want. I'll personally answer all of them. Okay, you loaded your Windows on maybe you picked up a laptop, and now you loaded fresh Windows, and now you need an Office suite. You need Word, you need Excel, the spreadsheets. Okay, so anyway, I got them on here. I got them on mine. Here's Microsoft Office. Here's my shortcuts or widgets, whatever you want to call them. Okay, here's the ones for Corel Wordperfect. This is only a trial period. Let me show you what they got going over here. Okay, go to we're gonna search Chrome. That ain't working. Okay, finally. All right, sorry. I tried to record off the screen here. What do they call it? Screen catch or something like that. You can record off the screen on my laptop, but I couldn't get it working right. So if anybody give me some tips, tell me how to do it. You can tell me the shortcuts and maybe what I did wrong. It wouldn't record. So I'm holding the camera here with one hand. Hold on here. So let's go Corel. We're going to say Corel space. I'm putting in the search bar there. I don't know if it's showing up. Wordperfect. Okay. And new. Let's go to the new one down there. Showed up down here. Okay, this is for you rich guys out there that have money to burn. You can see the standard one there is 174, but some here I saw a free copy. There it is. Download a trial for Windows. There, you're gonna go there, hit that. You can download that. It's only gonna give you like 15 days, maybe a month. I did it, and I didn't even use it, and I think I burned out my. I think I had to put my email in there. Okay, but you want to get the full version. You want the Pro. Let's see here. Let's find the Pro. Products. Office Suite. I went up over here in the left corner. Products. Office Suite. And we want the middle one here. It's over to the right. We want the middle one right there. Where'd it go? Let me go back. Sorry about that. Okay, go up here to Products. Come down to Office Suite and go over to the middle one. I think it's showing up too good on my focus here. Office Professional. We'll take that one. Okay, this one's going to give us the full load. Okay. Now, if you got a previous copy of WordPerfect Office, you can get in here cheaper. Go here and say you got the you just want to do an upgrade. You already got a copy. So for $2.59 they'll let you in there. But go ahead and try their free version for a while. Oh, it's offering one right here too. Download the free version for Windows. But let me show you another choice. Here. Buy now. Upgrade eligibility. Go ahead and read that stuff. Read the upgrade. Somewhere on here I saw some they had some downloads here for special offers. Go ahead and just read around here. All right, let's get out of here. Let me show you. The older versions work just fine. I got Windows 10 on this computer, on this laptop. This is a Dell Latitude D630. Okay, we're going to go to eBay. The older versions work just as good as the newer ones. And you can pick these up for a song and dance. Probably about $20. eBay. Type in eBay. Enter. Okay. Then we're going to say, we'll say yeah to that. On top there. You know, we're at eBay. I think you can check out as a guest and pay for it if you find one out here. Okay, we're going to say Corel in the search bar. Corel. It ain't showing up too good. There it is. Corel space Wordperfect. Wordperfect. Office. I guess we'll put that. The best one to look for is the Office Pro. Pro Office, I think they call it. Okay, but let's just look for the basic one right now. Because the other one's pretty hard to find. You're going to go in here and keep searching for it. Go on here every couple days, keep looking. Okay? Okay, now you want to go up to over here. Let me show you with my pen. Go over here to where it says Best Match. And click on that with your pointer. And click on that. And then scroll down to where it says lowest price. Lowest first. A price and shipping and lowest first. Click on that. Okay, so it's going to give us the lowest ones first. Now this one, I'm getting so much glare there. It's showing me the ones from, that's back in 2003. So you can do better than that for the $5-10 there. Here's one from 2002. And they go up in order. They start at like, it'll be called X3. You know, as they come up through the years. X3 might be the 2005 edition. And X4, X5. Okay. Here, like I'm saying right here. Here's X4. That might be like around 2005. Okay. It'll work fine on your computer with Windows 10. I got it installed. I got an old copy, one of these ones here, from like 2003. Okay? And then, if you want to look at the history of WordPerfect for the different versions, I got this old one here too. I don't even have it installed though. I got an old copy of the Office 2000, WordPerfect Office 2000. That one's getting pretty old. I could load that on there. But anyway, okay, here we go. We're up to version 6. WordPerfect Office. There's an X6 right there next to where it says Office. It says it over here in the description. We're up to 25 hours. So we're getting up there in the money now. Right there is that's about what I'd spend. Try to stay below $30. And this is going to work fine on your computer. And then if you want to upgrade on their website for the cheaper cost, you show them your other version, and you're good to go. And if you want to go with Microsoft Office, go ahead and just put that in the search bar. But they're harder to find and they're more expensive. Okay. So let's try that. Let's go over there. I know I got Office, Microsoft Office. It's the 2003. I got that running fine on there on my Windows 10. Getting a lot of glare here. Microsoft. Sorry about that. Try to turn it. Microsoft. Not getting it. Let me put the screen a little bit higher. Microsoft Office. Let's just say that. We're searching now on eBay. We'll say, yeah. Search. All right, and then we want to go up and hit the, where'd it go? Oh yeah, we already got it on lowest shipping. Okay. And you just start scrolling down through here. And like I said, I got 2,000. There's the standard. There's 2,000. Oh, you want to go for the Pro. I think they call it Pro on here. For Office. I got Office Pro. Microsoft Office Pro 2003. And it runs fine. And it even goes and gets the upgrades on the internet. I don't know, I paid like $15 for it. About 2 years ago. On eBay here. Scroll through here. Here's another here's one right here. 2003. $13. See? And these will work fine. There's one for your Macintosh. Here's one here. Oh, that's just Outlook. So you jump back on here every couple days and check it out. I'm sorry about the glare here on my screen. All right, I'm going to cut it short here. I mean, not short, but I'll cut it off here. I'll see you in the next one. Like and subscribe.